This is your chance.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker, for your indulgence and my apologies. Honourable Speaker, I beg to give notice on the following motion that aware that Article 43.1, as read together with Article 53.1b of the Constitution, provides that every person has the right to education and enshrines the right of every child to free and compulsory basic education. Further aware that the Kenya Vision 2030 identifies education as a crucial component for transforming the country into a globally competitive nation. Appreciating that bursaries play a vital role in supplementing funding for enhancing access to education, particularly for students from disadvantaged backgrounds, and contributes to the realization of universal basic education. Noting that various education bursaries exist in the country, including ward-based level bursaries, county governments bursaries, National Government Constituency Development Fund, NGCDF, the National Government Affirmative Action Fund, NGAF, and the Presidential Secondary School Bursaries, PSSB. Further noting that the evolution of bursary schemes from centralized to community-based administrations aimed to enhance educational access, equity, and responsiveness to local needs. Concerned that despite these efforts, the current bursary system faces numerous challenges, including lack of standardized and transparent selection criteria, delay in disbursement of funds, and insufficient coverage of education costs, leading to gaps of support. Further concerned that these challenges have resulted in persistent disparities in education access, increased dropout rates, particularly in secondary schools due to financial constraints, and strain on household incomes as families struggle to meet educational expenses not covered by bursaries. Acknowledging that the implementation of community-based bursary schemes has not fully achieved its intended objective, hence the need to re-evaluate the current bursary systems with a view to ensuring equitable and free access to quality education for all students. Cognizant that the duty of the government to provide free basic education can be best achieved by consolidating education funds and directly remitting to public schools. Now, therefore, this House urges that the government, through the Ministry of Education, in collaboration with various stakeholders, undertakes a comprehensive overhaul of the educational bursary systems with a view to collapsing all bursary schemes and allocating funds to the State Department of Education for provision of free basic education through capitation to be directly remitted to schools. Thank you, Honourable Speaker.